Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the strace and ltrace commands. They provide information on the system and library calls that a Linux process makes, and this information can help when you're troubleshooting a process that's not behaving as you'd expect. You'll likely have to install each of these commands on your system. Now, to begin, we're just going to look at the strace pwd command. So it's going to show what system calls pwd makes. And as soon as I hit enter, it fills up my screen with output. And all of these lines represent system calls like openat and new fstat and mmap. Okay, and if I run it this way instead, I'm going to get a summary of the system calls. And I like the look of this output. You can see we have on the right over here, we have the system calls. We have how many times each call was made and the percentage of time that each used in running the command. And of course, the output is ordered by the percentage of time. Now, if I run this command, I'm going to send the output of strace to a file called output. And the reason you might want to do this is because strace will not redirect its output through pipes. So if you want to save it, you have to use the -o followed by a file name option there, like that. So if we do that, we see the command that's run, which is pwd. And if we want to look at the file, which we called output, I can look at the beginning of the file like that. And again, I see the various system calls that are being made by pwd. Now, the ltrace command does something similar. The syntax looks very much like strace, but it's looking for a library call. So we can look by command, we can provide a summary using that option, and we can send our output to a file. Now, all I'm going to do now is run one of those commands, which is the -c, to get a summary of the library calls used by pwd. And again, we can see on the right, we have the library calls. On the left, we have the time taken by each library call and the number of times each one of those library calls was made. Well, that is your Linux tip for the strace and ltrace commands. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.